Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen from VanVeenBulbs.com. And next we're going to talk about how to grow Alstroemeria, or princess lilies, or they also call them Incan lilies. And they're a beautiful plant from Peru, and they have beautiful purple, pink, and red flowers that look kind of like tiger stripes on them. And they bloom in the summertime. They're just a beautiful cut flower as well. And they're easy to grow. They like full hot sun is the key. And they're a very unusual plant. They're considered a bulb, but they're just this little fleshy tuber. And so as long as you have any pieces of these tubers, you plant them at least 3 or 4 inches deep, and they grow these gorgeous plants. And this one just got done blooming. So the key, or the trick I found with Alstroemeria, is don't cut the spent flowers out. You actually pull them out. So see how these are all done and these are new growth? You actually pull those out, and what happens is it stimulates the growth to grow new plants. So the best thing you can do for them is to actually just pull out the spent flowers, and then they'll grow some new ones, and that way they'll keep growing. So they're really easy to care for, but you kind of have to be careful because if you have allergies, some of the chemicals within the plant, I notice, will give me a rash here and there. So you kind of have to be careful with them. So in the ground, they're usually fine in full hot sun, but in the pots, you got to protect them in the winter. So make sure that stays dry in the winter. I'll probably throw it in the greenhouse, and it'll come back for years and years. It's a great plant.